Hello, Sylvia here. Welcome back. This is a quick tutorial to show how to use multiple conditions in a filter function. So here we want to know which of these students got A's in English and Maths in this exam that they've taken. First of all, if we want to know the students that got A's in English, we can do using the filter function equal to filter. Then we select the array, what houses the information we want to get, which is students, comma. Now, the second argument is the include. And here we're saying we should include the grades of English. And then the condition here is we want to know the students that got A's in English. So we're going to do equal to A, but the A has to be in an asterisk. Equal to A, then close the asterisk. Then you close your bracket and click enter. So these are the students that got A's in English. But note that we want to get the students that got A's in both English and Maths. And to do that, we're going to introduce the Maths grade, and we're going to use the asterisk to multiply both grades. So put this in a bracket, then use the asterisk in another bracket, then you select the Maths grade, and then again you do equal to A, then you close the main bracket and then you click enter. So this has returned only Seth, and that's because it's only Seth that has made A's in both courses. Also, if we want to get the student that have failed both courses, to do that, type equal to filter tab, select the array, which is where houses the information we want to get. In this case is the students. Then you click comma, then you open a bracket, select your English grades, and we are saying that this is equal to F because this is the students that failed the courses. Then we close this, use an asterisk to multiply, open again a bracket, and then select the max grades equal to students that failed maths. Then you close the bracket and close again and click enter.